guys, it's Bunnies. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So our video for today, we are going to be doing a product review and try on, not like try on, but I feel like when I say try on, I mean clothes. But this isn't clothes. This is for your face. Hi, Bells. You want to come say hi? Bella wants to come say hi. Say hi. And yeah, she has a Christmas sweater. Long story. So for today's product review, we're going to be trying Sand and Sky. So now we're going to open up the box, and this is how it comes. It says it's upside down, by the way. So it says a holiday for your skin has arrived, and it's actually like a really cute little sticker on top of a box. So I thought that was kind of cute. So when we open it up, here's the real box, the real packaging. So today we're gonna be trying Sand and Sky Flash Perfecting Exfoliating Treatment, and I'm super excited about this. So I've seen a lot, and I mean a lot of reviews and a lot of YouTube videos and Instagrammers who've tried this, but in the pink clay mask, not the exfoliating flash treatment. One cool thing about this is that all of the ingredients are from Australia. That was the worst Australian accent I think I've ever, oh god, I'm so embarrassed. All the ingredients are from Australia, which I think are like really cool. To live in the United States, I've never been to Australia, and I have heard that the critters in Australia are next level. So I'm kind of scared to go to Australia. So this is like my safe Australia visit. And their website says it's vegan, it's cruelty free, and it is PETA approved. So if you're vegan or really against like any type of animal testing, this is good for that. So I was really excited actually when I saw that. Also, I have no makeup on at all. So this is my skin. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of like a close-up in the bathroom when we go to try this on, so protect your eyes. But this is what it looks like. It is pink. It comes in a pink tube, and this is just for pure aesthetic. Going to be amazing in my bathroom and like next to my pink and green stuff. I feel like I have like a watermelon bathroom. So one cool thing about the mask is it is like a pinkish tint, which I think looks super cute. It dries a bit like less pink, but it does look pink. Now the box on the back says Super Power Blend off Australian Botanicals, and it's a double action exfoliate and flash treatment all in one. Bamboo and macadamia seed physically exfoliate to smooth your skin. Formulated with AHA's rich fruit extracts, it also promotes cellular turnover and resurfaces your skin, while Australian pink clay detoxifies and refines your pores. The antioxidants from botanical oils will leave your skin with a radiant glow. And now I am down for a radiant glow. I love anything that says it'll make my skin glow and my pores smaller. I'm like, give it to me. Let me just soak my whole body in it. So the directions are: apply to clean moist skin, and massage for 30 seconds. Avoid the eyed area, leave in for 5 minutes, rinse with warm water, pat dry. All right, now let's go to the bathroom and try this bad boy out. Let's go. So now we are in my bathroom. So let's give you guys a little bit of a close-up to my face, what my skin actually look like. So lately my skin's been pretty okay, nothing too crazy. Okay, so lately my skin's been pretty okay. Don't mind your girl's dark circles, because those things are just bad always. Okay, now that we have our hair back, I'm gonna get my face wet, and then we're gonna put the mask on and see what happens. So I already washed my face today, but I just used like a soap. I didn't use like anything to exfoliate. So now we're gonna put this on and try it. Oh, it does have a little tab to pull off, which I like that because it makes me feel like it's really like hygienic and clean. So I don't know if a little bit goes a long way. So I'm kind of going in. I think I've used way too much. But, you know, I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna kind of put it in my eyebrow, apparently. And on my face a bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna rub it in for 30 seconds. This is what it looks like on your face. It kind of looks like a strawberry color. It's so cute. So it says to exfoliate for 30 seconds. Or rub in for 30 seconds, and massage, that's the right word. It says to massage for 30 seconds. So the smell of it doesn't smell like it has like any perfumes or anything like that. So it smells very like natural. As you can tell, I'm a super messy applicator. So now this is going to help minimize, mattify your pores. So I am down to have shrunken pores. Now I'm gonna wash it off my hands and we're gonna wait 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and my alarm just went on, so it is time to wash it off and see what lies underneath. So I just washed it off and I will say, wow. Okay, so my face feels really soft, but not like that super dried out, like soft face, if you know what I mean, or like really dried face. Sometimes when I do masks or like an exfoliator like that, and a full exfoliator and a mask, I don't think I've really tried something like this, but whenever I do a mask in general, if it's not like a super hydrating mask, it'll usually make my skin feel really dry afterwards, where like if I like smile, I feel like I have to put moisturizer on like immediately. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, that's usually how I kind of feel after I do a mask. So especially like a clay mask. So this feels really, I don't have any moisturizer or any serum, nothing on. It's just like my skin, and it feels really, like I feel almost like I don't even have to put a moisturizer on. I'm going to, but like I just feel like really soft and like I just want to touch my skin. It feels so nice. It's just really softer on my nose. Right here too is usually really hard for me to get like really smooth, but it's so smooth. It feels really good. I'm 100% gonna keep using this and trying it and buying it. My face feels really good. I could definitely feel the like physical exfoliators of like the macadamia nut in there, because like it was really, you could see it, you could feel the exfoliation. It just feels really good. So like now let's take kind of a close-up look at my face and see if there's any differences, maybe like a side-by-side comparison, how they look. I'm gonna let you guys get all up in there so you guys can kind of see like my freckles and my pores. My pores look really small compared to what they usually look. Like they look like they're not even there. Okay, so we're done and I'm so happy. Like I don't even want to put makeup on. I don't really like my new hair without makeup at the moment. I'm like not used to it. I feel like I need makeup for my hair, but like I feel like my skin looks so good. Like I don't even want to put makeup on it. It feels so soft. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that sub button with your bunny paw. Also, if anyone's tried this, comment down below what you thought, how your experience was with it. So all Sandon's guys links are going to be down in the description box below. If you guys want to go check this out or cop one for yourself or somebody you know or love or anything like that, that's also going to be listed in the description, as well as their social media links. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.